Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to guide you how to buy Bitcoin on Phantom wallet. So let's go over to Phantom. Make sure you've created an account on Phantom, and before getting started I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. So it's the home page on Phantom. At the upside you're going to see receive, send, swap and buy. So what you have to do is for you to go over to buy. This is the search area which you search for the crypto you want to buy. So over here you're going to see Bitcoin. In case you didn't see it on your own, you have to go over to the search area. Yes, you have to go over there and type in Bitcoin. Let me do that right now. You're going to choose the first one, which is the most popular one here, and let me go over to it. So over here you can put the amounts of BTC you want to buy, or you can choose the one that is displayed over here, which is $100, $500 and $1,000, and you're going to use your credit card and your debit card, anyone you feel like using. So you can go over to buy. Let me go over to buy, and here is for to confirm your order. So I'm going to use my MasterCard. You can also use they have other method of payment which you can use. Yes, so I'm going to use my MasterCard, and here you're going to see add the payment method. You can use your ATM as a payment method, which is your credit and debit card. Yes, so you're going to register your ATM. So you're going to put your ATM details, the information about your ATM, which contain your name, your account name, your account number, expiring date, your CVC. So you're going to put them. In case you're using another method, which is you're paying through your Apple Pay or Google Pay, you're going to enter your email and register it. So over here you're going to see you got over 0.0262 BTC for $215, and at the downside you're going to mark good, which means I agree to Moon Pay terms of use, and after that you go over to pay, and here it's showing processing your payments. Please wait, and make sure you have enough money on your credits and debit card for the payment to be successful. Guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.